quite as dizzy.
No! Now I'm clever!
I see you still have a cold. I've got just the thing here. Here, breathe this in. It's really good for colds.
I'll need just a little bit more. Could you fill Mr. Uppity's hat with it?
With pleasure, my dear Mr. Dizzy.